3 recording. Hello, Vinaka. Welcome to our learning Fijian lesson here with Lion and myself, Tukai. And we are glad you can are able to join us in this journey. So we started last week with learning the votu or the vowels in Fijian and the matua vosa or the Fijian alphabet as well. So before we go on to the next part of the lesson, which is the Cavutago or the pronunciation guide, which you can see here on my screen or on our screen, we'll invite Lion to first of all we'll do a review of what he learned last week, and I'm sure he has done very well in now that he will be able to say the votu, the vowel, and the matua vosa or the alphabet as well. So would you be able to do that, please, Lion, before we go on to the next part of our lesson?
Iyo,
Vinaka?
Pula Vinaka.
Pula Vinaka.
So, vowels in Fijian, votu. A, E, I, O, U. The alphabet in Fijian, matua vosa. A, pa, va, da, e, fa, nga, I, ta, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ga, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya.
Wow, excellent. Well done. Oh, let me ask you, do you
Vinaka.
have Vinaka Balibu, Vinaka? Do you have the list there in front of you, or are you just saying it from memory?
From memory.
So it just took you 1 week to be able to do that. So now, as people the experts say, when you can speak two languages, it's like you have two boxes open in the mind. So when you're speaking English, it's like the English box is open and the other language box is closed. So with you, it's the Fijian alphabet and the English alphabet. So now you're able to open the Fijian box and say the Fijian alphabet, while the English alphabet box remains closed. But now you can easily go between the two now, which is good. So you have
Iyo.
mastered the Fijian alphabet. Totoka,
Vinaka.
Naka. Okay, now this one here, the Cavutago. Are you able to say that, please? Cavutago?
Cavutago.
The pronunciation guide. So with languages, it's like muscles, different parts of the mouth, muscles are utilized when we are speaking language. So different languages also use different muscles of the mouth. Um, and so for that, because you're now learning another language, for the Fijian, we usually may have this exercise here, which will help you to eventually be able to say and pronounce the Fijian words just like the Fijians. The kaiviti, Okay, so Vavutango pronunciation guide. Let's go. And as we did with our lesson last week, I'll say the individual letters, and as you listen, then you try and imitate me to the best of your ability. So here we go. Vavutango. First line is A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
Yo. Mba.
Mba.
Mbe.
Be.
Mbi.
Bi.
Mbo.
Mbo.
Mbu.
Mbu.
Please shout out if you need us to repeat, or if something is not clear, then we will go back on that. Next line.
Okay.
Tha.
Tha.
They.
They.
Thee.
Thee.
Tho.
Tho.
Thu.
Thu.
Da.
Da.
Nde.
De.
Ndi.
Di.
Ndo.
Do.
Ndu.
Do.
Ndra.
Dra.
Ndre.
Tre.
Ndri.
Three.
Ndro.
Throw.
Ndru.
Through.
That's gonna present some challenge initially, but as you progress in it, eventually you'll be able to say it exactly as I am saying it. But that was a great effort. Let's go on. Fa.
Ba.
Fe.
Fe.
uh Fi.
Fee.
Fo.
Four.
Fu.
Fool.
Okay, let me just say something here. because of the because of us saying, doing this through Zoom and through the microphone, there's a bit of interference with the sound that's coming out. So what I was hearing, you might have been saying it correctly, Lion, but it was sounding more like you were saying pa, pe, but in actual fact, that fa sound is like that. Pa,
Deal.
fe, fi, fo, and so on. Just to aid the listener, the those who will eventually watch this later on. But that was what I and myself and Lion were saying when we were doing the fa. Sound is fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Okay, let's continue back to Cavutago. Now, this one here, cha,
Cha.
che.
Ke.
There again, I can see the interference. You are saying it correctly, but where it's coming out on the speaker here. So let me just do that again here. So the cha sound is more like cha, che, chi, cho, chu. All right. So let's do that again. I know you're saying it correctly. It's just the interference. But say, let's go again. Cha,
Cha.
che,
Che.
chi,
Chi.
cho,
Cho.
chu.
Chu.
Ka,
Ka.
ke,
Ke.
ki,
Ki.
ko,
Ko.
hu.
Who.
Yeah. La,
La,
le,
Le,
li,
Li,
lo,
Lo,
lu.
Lu.
Ma,
Ma,
me,
Me,
mi,
Mi,
mo,
Mo,
mu.
Mu.
Na,
Na,
ne,
Ne,
ni,
Ni,
no,
No,
nu.
Nu.
A,
A,
e,
E,
i,
I,
u,
O,
u.
U.
Okay. Nga,
Nga,
nge,
Nge,
ngi,
Ngi,
ngo,
Ngo,
ngu.
Ngu.
Nice. Totoka. Ra.
Ra,
Now you saying it like the Fijians, eh? Ra, re,
Re,
ri,
Ri,
ro,
Ro,
ru.
Ru.
Nice. We're almost to the end now. Excellent. Sa,
Sa,
se,
Se,
si,
Si,
sto,
So,
su.
Su.
Ta,
Ta,
te,
Te,
ti,
I,
to,
To,
tu.
Tu.
Va,
Va,
ve,
Ve,
vi,
Vi,
vo,
Vo,
vu.
Vu.
And then wa,
Wa,
ya.
Ya.
So that was the Cavutago or the Fijian pronunciation guide. Once you master that, you are able to pronounce Fijian words. You're able to look at Fijian words in the written form, and you are able to pronounce them correctly. Now, if you encounter some problems with say hearing the words coming out when you're watching this on YouTube, please leave a comment in the comment section that will aid us or help us to address the issue, because we know that that through Zoom and through recording, the sound can have there can be some interference with the sound, the way the words, the letters sound. So that'll help us, and then we will be able to address the issue and help you then. You do you have any comment, Lion?
No comments from me.
Okay. Now, since you've
You
mastered, oh yeah, please, Unaka.
No, I was just gonna say you said it perfectly. I could hear the interference on my side as well.
Yo, that's the nature of it, eh?
Ew.
Yo. So this is how language, say for example, Fijian speakers number less than 1 million fluent speakers of the Fijian. So in this way, we will help to grow the language, And now, because we're doing it and we're recording it on YouTube and putting it out there, that hopefully this will be the medium that will preserve the language and pass it on to the next generation, especially for you. I take my head off to you. You are from, you are our cousin from the Cook Islands, the beautiful Aitutaki, Rarotonga, as we all know, the Cook Islands,
Yorana.
Hiorana. And we thank you very much for the interest that you've shown in wanting to learn our beautiful Fijian language. I think once you master this, maybe one day you'll like to actually visit Fiji and meet your Fijian cousins in the village in Fiji, eh?
Iyo.
Okay, just to give an example of what we said about the Fijian pronunciation guide, that this will help you in looking at the letter and know that this is how you pronounce it in Fijian, rather than looking at it and wondering what the hell, what is this word? How do you say it in Fijian? But I'm gonna give Lion a test, because as we've heard, he was able to say the alphabet spot on, 100%. And now that we have gone through the Cavutago, there's a friend at the airport, Fijian guy from Namosi province, from the province of Namosi. Remember, this is also part of what we will be learning through here. We will be learning also not only the language, the culture, and also the Fijian, some of Fijian history as well. Okay, say, you see the pointer there, Lion? Could you say this for me on the Cavutago, this one here?
Cho. Chi.
Ah, you remember the Fijian friend?
Iyo.
Io. So what's his name again?
Oh. Chochi.
See, now you know the Cavutago, you know the Fijian alphabet. Now you know how they spell his name in Fijian. Eh? Chochi. See?
Eh.
Ah, yeah. That's the beauty of the Cavutago. And then just the last example, this one here, where my pointer is.
Boo.
The famous one.
La. Bula.
Bula. Okay, Vinagavagalevu, please like and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Let's grow the channel. Kere Vinagavagalevu. And
Naka.
saying Vinagavagalevu and Sotatale from me and
Lion.
Nisamode.